What's up guys, welcome to our channel Etechniz. In this video we will talk about how to fix Windows 11 app not opening. We will show you the method you have to use to fix applications not working properly on your Windows app. So stay tuned and watch the complete video. Before going further, do not forget to click on subscribe button, select all to the bell notification, give a thumbs up if you like this video and leave your feedback in the comment section. Method 1. Troubleshoot Store. To Troubleshoot Store, click on Windows icon, click on Settings. Once you'll be on setting page, you have to make sure you are in System. Scroll it down, you'll see Troubleshoot, click on it. In Troubleshoot, you have to click on Other Troubleshooters. Once you'll be on Other Troubleshooters, simply scroll it down and you'll find Windows Store app. Click on Run. And it will start detecting the problem. It will start diagnosing your store and will show you what exactly is the problem. This is a quick tutorial, that's why I'm not skipping this part. Alright, here you can see troubleshooting could not identify the problem. I ran this before as well and it took me to the method 2, which I'm gonna explain in this video. So for now I'm closing this page and let's talk about method 2, repair or reset store. To repair or reset store, click on Windows icon, click on Settings. On the left side you'll see apps. Here click on apps and feature. You'll be on this page app list. From here you have to select the app in which you have a problem. For an example, if I have a problem with music, then I click on these three dots, click on advanced option. You will be on this page specializations. Scroll it down, you'll see these option reset. From here you can reset or repair the app. I would recommend you to go with the repair first, as repair not gonna cause so much effect. As you can see the information, if this app isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The app's data won't be affected. Alright, so repair not gonna affect your data, but if repair does not work, then you can go with reset as well, but it gonna delete all the data. You can see the app data will be deleted if you click on reset. They have written the warning here as well, but before you do, try resetting from within the app's own setting page instead of here. You won't lose all of your app data. So if you would like to go with reset option, then you have to try it out with the app's own setting page instead of going through with this option. If that doesn't work, then you can come to this page as well to reset the app. Method 3. Reinstall Package. If you're facing a problem in built-in application and it's not coming up after updating your Windows 10 to Windows 11, then what are the commands you can run, you can use to reinstall all built-in application? For that, simply open any browser you have like Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge, or if you have Firefox, then open that one. Do a right click, click on open, and here you have to type uninstall apps Windows 10 page advice. In search, simply type that, and here you'll see how to uninstall Windows 10 built-in app pageadvice.com. Click on it and scroll it down. In the end of the page you'll see a command to install all app at once. You simply have to copy this command, click on copy, click on start, type here PowerShell, click on run as administrator, click yes. Here paste the command. Once you'll paste the command, simply press enter. I ran this command and I know about it. How does it work? So I do not need to run this command. Along with that, if you're looking to uninstall any built-in application, then you can see all the commands in here to uninstall Xbox, to uninstall music app or to uninstall any other OneNote app or something like that, all information are given in here, and all of these command does work for Windows 11. So you do not have to worry, simply copy the command and use it in the PowerShell to uninstall any application. So that's all for today. I hope our method helped you to fix app not opening on Windows 11. And if you want an advanced tutorial to fix this problem, do let us know in the comment section. We will surely add another video to give you all the command list and how you can fix app not opening on Windows 11. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Meet you in the next video.